Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today we're talking about a different kind of post. This is actually what we call the timeless fence post. It's made out of recycled PVC, and it's actually recycled windows. Like you buy, the vinyl windows you buy, put in your house. They make this out of recycled material. It's you can get them in several different colors: white, brown, red. I think they have a black one. Anyway, this is shaped like a T-post. You see that? It's actually got the same exact shape of a T-post. It's got a UV skin all the way around it, so you never have to paint this post. And you look on the top of it, you see the actual material here. But I tell you what, these posts are pretty tough. You can drive this with a standard steel T-post driver, and they are pre-drilled. I think it's every 2.5 inches. There's a series of holes drilled in them, and when you buy them, on the bottom there will be a little paper sticker on there. So when you're driving it, you drive that sticker where it's flush with the ground. You're in the ground deep enough. This has been driven for, oh heck, probably been here 5-6 years, and this is a 7-wire fence, okay, and you can, heck, if you wanted to, you could put 8 wires on there. The beauty of this is if you string it, you can string them right through the holes. See that? You don't need a connector. You don't need any kind of wire to fasten it on there. You can just string them right through the hole. They do drive really well. I've hit roots with this. A tree root, you keep hitting it, and by God, it'll go through the root. They're actually shaped like that on the bottom, and they kind of form a wedge. So when you drive them down on the ground, the soil gets up around that wedge. You can't hardly pull one of these out. You got to use a high lift jack with a chain on it to kind of get them out sometimes. That's how tough they are. And they're very flexible. See that? So when a deer hits that dude, it can flex over and come back. And they do have a 20-year warranty on them. Can't go buy anything today has a 20-year warranty. So, again, this Timeless Fence Company, tell them, you talk to Greg, or you saw what Greg's talking about, and tell them Greg sent you, and get a hold of Brad. When you call Timeless, tell them you want to talk to Brad, Greg sent you. I like these posts. They're fast. There's no fasteners, and you want to put up a good-looking fence quick. And you have neighbors. Let's say you're in a subdivision and you're bordering somebody. I just built a fence out of these for a lady over by Columbia. She's got a neighbor in her backyard. I mean, we're talking $400,000 or $500,000 houses. You put a fence like this in, it looks really sharp. Okay, and yeah, so you don't need an insulator. It's insulated, they drive good, 20-year warranty. You don't have to paint them, you don't have to drill them. They're already drilled. Folks, this is Greg Judy signing off, and everybody go see Brad and get you some Timeless Fence posts.